So guess what's next from EDISION. Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEXTech, and today we have the EDISION PICCO Cable. This is a Full HD cable receiver. Now the box had quite a beating while transport, so I had to open the box and ensure that everything was okay, especially this Full HD cable receiver. This might be the best budget offer for a DVB-C signal receiver. So here we have an HDMI and a plethora of inputs, so let's open the box and check it closely. And I'm having high hopes that this beating was not capable of breaking anything internal of the device. So first things first, we have a power adapter and some 3M adhesive cushions. I guess this might be for wall mounting, but I might be wrong. Now the power adapter seems really typical of devices of this kind, nothing special about it, and the cable seems to be fairly long. But a power extension cable might be needed, and that depends on where your equipment is placed. Here we have the connector box of the receiver under all this packaging. Here we should be able to get this out of there eventually. Here we have it. Now this front plastic is prone to fingerprint smudges and scratches. Now in front we have a USB port, some control keys. Now on the left side we have a card input. This is the slot on the side, and on the other side we also have an RS-232 input, infrared and SPDIF inputs, 4 rubberized feet on the bottom, and on the rear we have a coaxial cable input, an Ethernet port which is really nice, an HDMI port, a SCART port and a power input, and the whole casing has air vents. Now here we have the remote control. This is a universal 2-in-1, so that you can control your TV also with your cable receiver, and this might be the best feature that you won't get with other products at this price point. Now we'll also need 2 AAA batteries here so that we'll have power. Now the build quality of this remote is not the greatest, but it's not really bad either. As you can see here, we have most of the functions needed on any modern set of TV and cable receiver, and using one remote for both of them, it's a really nice feature. So we'll need here 2 AAA batteries like this here, and this might help you to save some battery cost because you will need only one remote to use instead of using also your TV controller one. So this is how we insert the batteries here. We can close the lid like that, and this is ready to go. Overall, I find this really great because you won't have to pay for another expensive solution. In order to have all this in place, you just have to read the manual included, and I guess this box is empty right now, and these are all what is inside, and just take some extra time on this manual because some setting is needed to take place. And if you don't want to have your cable company to send someone to do this for you, and that won't be for free, just have a look beforehand you buy on the site of EDISION for this product and all the specifications in the description, so that you'll have an idea of the process needed. Even before you make the purchase, I still advise you to check this product's page just to see if it meets your needs. So here we have the remote control, and we can program it here to use it also with our TV. Here we also have how to connect our device to the TV. Overall, I find this a really competitive product. The universal remote included is not something that any other brand, as far as I can tell, is offering, and I can easily recommend this. So this was the unboxing of the EDISION PICCO Cable DVB-C receiver and the universal remote. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from ADEXTech, thank you for watching.